Good afternoon, Team Rockstar. We have reached Jaipur to promote our film Rockstar.
The real rockstar from Bollywood, Ranbir Kapoor.
We of course have the ever beautiful Nargis.
I'm here with my loving family in Jaipur. And it's my first time here and I'm really super duper excited.
And original rock star, the voice of Janardhan Jakar, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Mohit Chauhan.
Thank you very much.
We're going to go a 100-year-old lassi wala place out here. We're going to go to the City Palace. We're going to go for a camel ride, which should be fun.
We're gonna ride the camels of Jaipur.
And we're going to go to a university and have some fun. कुछ गंद मचाने वहाँ भी जाएंगे. So be part of this leg and hopefully you guys have a great time.
Actors really don't have time to shop and they don't really have a style quotient. So what we usually do is the film we work on, we try and crop the clothes after the shoot so we can use it in promotion. I think Akhi's done a fabulous job because it's the character study spans over 10 years and he grows as an artist. He travels the world and all the elements of all the different places he goes to, the music influences, it all kind of comes in his physical appearance. And I think the way Akhi, Alim, Imtiaz, I think all of them really work very hard on the look of Janardhan Jakar. Life starts in Pitampura in Delhi, so we actually bought the clothes from there, the jeans, the shoes, the sweaters, all of that was actually locally bought. So whenever we shot, what Akhi did is if you're shooting Kashmir, he went and bought like the kaftans and all from the actual local markets. I think it just adds to the authenticity, it makes me feel more like the character, the physical appearance really helps you get into that zone.
कहाँ जा रहे हो? राज मंदिर आ जाओ. राज मंदिर. हाँ.
We went to Raj Mandir, the oldest and the biggest single screen theatre.
Well, it was simple. It was just thanking them for making me part of history. Coming here and I'll take back a lot of memories from here. This is actually a part of history of Indian cinema. Raj Mandir is the oldest and the biggest theatre in Asia actually. Films of my grandfather, some films of mine have released here. So it feels kind of really good, it's like coming back to roots. It's coming back to the real people who actually, now multiplexes have come, so we've forgotten these single screen owners. And this is actually where you can smell cinema, you breathe cinema, the people love cinema. So it feels really great, you feel a sense of, you get a little emotional, saying that all the greats have been here actually.
I had a lassi and I had a piyaz aloo kachori.
Amazing.
And that was really yummy.
It was a yum experience. Maharani of Jaipur.
And the best part of the day is that I went to a huge palace for the first time in my life and I met the queen. The queen, right? She's the queen of Jaipur, which was absolutely overwhelming. I don't even have words to express what I felt when I walked into the palace. architecture was amazing. The paintings on the walls were breathtaking. Then we met the Queen, and I just was in awe of her sophisticated, elegant, and graceful vibration. Really in awe of what I'm seeing. It's so beautiful. Wow. And the detail on here is amazing.
You feel so small with all this history and all this wonderful artwork and so many things that happen out here in this room that we stand, and these guys, all these people have been witness to so much of the world.
Wow, let me tell you, all I have to say is wow. The artwork is amazing. I mean, I don't know if you've gotten really up close and personal, but look at all the detail. When I was looking at her while she spoke, I was just captivated by how she speaks and her beauty. Okay, first of all, I'm not sure how old she is, or how I should say how young she is, but she is absolutely stunning. Stunning.
I mean, lovely place also.
Yeah.
First time.
I have my palace there, but it's not in a great condition because now my parents are not here.
And he was mentioning it there. He's grown up there.
Oh, you are.
I belong to Nag.
Oh, you belong to Nag?
Yeah.
I wish you had told me. I would have made some arrangements in the palace or something.
Like I know Abhay Babaji and everyone.
You know them?
I know them really well.
Meeting a real queen, having coffee with her, it's really nice. Very nice. Shahbaz Nargis, no, it's her first interaction with the real Indian heritage and kingdoms and the kings and queens and all that.
So much of history there. I unfortunately do not know the history about it, but because of today, I am going to Crosswords to get some books.
Maranji, I met her for the first time. Though I'd heard a lot about her because she comes from my hometown. And it was really nice, a pleasure coming here.
Sorry, I'm really excited. Scared now. Go back. Let's go back. Yes.
On a Rajasthani horse. It's a Rajput, sorry, camel, not horse, camel. आप लोग सब साथ में करते हैं।
आके मुझे मिल तो ले, देना ना तू कुछ मगर आके मेरा दिल तो तू ले जाना।
thank you so much. This is lovely. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. आप सब जानते हैं आप रॉकस्टार 11 नवंबर को रिलीज हो रही है. प्लीज इस फिल्म को जाके थिएटर में देखिए. I'm sure you guys will have a great time. We have 2 surprises for you today. Hi, I love you too. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, also we have a very special guest, Mr. Mohit Chauhan. Please, a big hand for Mr. Mohit Chauhan. अच्छा मेरे साथ गाओगे? जो भी मैं कहना चाहूँ बर्बाद करें अल्फाज मेरे. Oh yeah! Thank you so much. And all of you lovely people from JNU, we have also Nargis for the first time. Please give her a warm welcome. Very welcome. Nargis Fagri.
Hi everyone! I just want to thank all of you guys for the support and the love. It's my first film and I hope all of you are going to go and watch it. Please!
Oh yeah! A little bit about my character in this film. I play a young boy from Delhi. His name is Janardhan Jakar, who finally becomes Jordan the Rockstar. So there's a certain way that he stands, there's a certain way that he walks, how he talks. The first time he goes to the girl and says, "Veer, Janardhan Jakar, JJ for short, बात करनी है मुझसे." So the girl says, "तू ना बड़ी कूल लगती है मुझे." और हॉट भी कितनी है तुम? कमाल कौन दो ना हॉट कौन सेम टाइम? हाँ आई लव यू गर्लफ्रेंड बन जाओ मेरी.
Hey, are you stupid?
नो ओनली क्रेजी फॉर यू बेबी. Ladies and gentlemen, Nargis Fagri.
This is my first experience of writing my name on a piece of paper and I find it very strange. Love Nargis Fagri.
So now we go back with a lot of love from all the Jaipuris and the Rajputs, and I guess we'll see you in the next city, which is Nagpur and Pune. See you soon.